Alright guys, before we jump in the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and obviously hit that notification button. We're on the river again, and it was actually a better day today. We went last weekend and we caught a bunch of small ones. This weekend we actually caught some good ones. You'll see in the video coming up. But I do want to tell you what we did catch them on in the river in case you guys are fishing any type of clear water river. So this is always my go-to for the river. I always catch fish on it. I never get skunked, but it is actually not necessarily this bait, but this setup right here. So you got a pinch weight about 6 inches above the hook. This is a 2-aught hook, and this is actually a 3.8 6-inch device swim bait. It is the Clearwater Rose color, and they absolutely annihilated this. But typically we would use a Zoom shad color paddle tail worm, the small ones, not the big ones, the small one. So that being said, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Little guy. I see some big fish over there, but not necessarily wanting to eat. I wonder if it's tilapia maybe. Oh, you guys, cool. Right there in front of you, right? Got one. Really hit the water. Skip it across the ground, skip it across the water. I caught a little one too. I think yours is about the same size as mine, or we're about to. I don't like catching the small ones because it messes up the lure. But it's all right. There we go. They're getting bigger. Huh? They're getting bigger. Getting bigger. Make it look real big. a little bit. I'm gonna move up where we were last time. There's another one right beside it too. See, look at it. See it, chasing it? I think that's a pretty good one for the river. I know, my lure. Oh, it's a bigger bass over there. Oh, it's a little one. Gosh dang it. You? Oh, my lure's gone now, isn't it? No, it's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Ow, you little bitch. Got one? Oh, there's one chasing it. You still got him, you still got him. There was one chasing it, Carson. Oh, there we go. That's a good one. Or it feels like a good one. Hurry up with your lure. Hurry with your lure. Throw out there. There's one coming after it. There's two of them. Two big ones. Throw way up. Throw way over there. Don't see that bait? Real fast, 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 fast. All right, stop. Oh no, stop, 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 stop. See them right here? See them all around me? Real, stop. I think you got one. No? Where's your lure at? All right, just throw it there. You see him? Do you see him? Okay. There you go. Just leave it right there. Decent one for the river. All right, I'm gonna start filming again. Where?
I lost the back on.
A bunch of perch in here.
I need a bunch of bass.
Yeah, the bass will be up here tonight.
Yep.
Trying to get these perch.
Right there. Bigger. Where are the fish at, Dad?
What?
Where are the fish at?
By that tree.
By it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it the tree in the water? Or maybe above the water? ball.
Mm-hmm. I would take your glasses off. No, don't put them in your pocket. Okay, that'll work. And a bunch of grass.
I'm not even like the tiniest thing. Right? Oh, I was right. I was literally right. Ain't no way. Little booger.
The joys of the river.
Little boogers and 2 pounders. The biggest bass in here probably is about like a 4 pounder.
Joys of the river. Get some little bitty boogers. There we go. There we go. Like darting that stuff to the.
That's a good one.
Definitely catching better ones this time, huh?
Huh?
Catching some better ones this time, huh? That's a Kentucky bass.
Call it Kentucky bass.
Yeah, feel the tongue.
The freak.
No, right? It's cool.
Boing.
Oh man.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, we came back and got it. Came back and got her. Came back and got her. Came back and got her. Oh my gosh, come on. Freaking wind. Little guy. Big old perch. Big perch. This kind of look like crappie, right? A little one, huh? This is a baby compared to the one I just caught. Like this one could, that one could eat this one.
But Uncle Jay was saying about that the whole time. When he caught that 5 pounder, I didn't like believe it was like a 5. I thought it was like a 4 or something. But yeah.
Damn it. Oh. Yeah, a little one. Definitely bigger than we caught last time.
I caught a good 4-pounder. I caught two. I got a big time out. Pretty fat.
Whoa! Yeah. Actually, Carson, that's enough of that. Quit it. Well, another one. Carson, I'm gonna be right over here, okay? Carson! Came out of under the bridge. Easy. Stop it. 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 Ow. Stop it. Another one. There we go, another one. Oh, the helmet came off. That's the first one I lost today. Dang. That was cool. Whoa. Oh no, I lost them. Didn't even have them.